Good morning everyone. As you may already know, October is Black History Month. In your lessons this month, you will be learning about some individuals who have made a huge impact on our country and in the wider world. We will also be looking at some black authors in English, black scientists in science, and a host of other subjects as well. This is just to highlight some of the impact that black people have had throughout history and adds to the black history that we already study in our regular curriculum. I just wanted to share with you one particular person from history for this assembly, Mansa Musa. Mansa Musa was the ruler of the Malian Empire in West Africa during the 1300s. He is now considered to be the richest person who has ever lived. His empire was so vast that it stretched right the way across Africa, and he ruled over millions of people. Today, his fortune is estimated to have been around $400 million. That's about 3 times as much as the world's current richest man, Jeff Bezos from Amazon. Mansa Musa was a devout Muslim, and on a pilgrimage to Mecca, he was so generous with his gift-giving of gold and jewels that he almost bankrupted the country of Egypt as he flooded the country with gold. Today, not many people outside of Africa are taught about Mansa Musa, even though his impact across an entire continent was vast. We hope you enjoy focusing on Black history this month, and that you can discover new and exciting parts of our history. Keep your eyes open for regular posts on the school's social media accounts and on TV, where we will be sharing lots of information on key historical figures. In your lessons this month, we will be looking at different individuals and groups of people who have made an impact on history across the world. Year 6, you will be looking at the Haitian Revolution. Year 5, you will be studying Olaudah Equiano. Year 4, you will be looking at the life of Jocelyn Barrow, and Year 3, you'll be studying the life and work of Mary Seacole. I look forward to seeing your work throughout this month, and I hope you enjoy learning about some new topics. If you would like to, do some of your own research on black people from history and bring it into school. I'm sure there will be a few Headmasters Awards and gobs. Here are a few of my favourite black figures from history. And enjoy Black History Month.